Myself Nisha Kaur, Principal of Galaxy International School. She is our coordinator. Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sushila Sanwar, the coordinator of this school, and I want to introduce each and everything about our school. So let's start with our school gate. Those who had given us this opportunity to show our school, and I hope that you will satisfy with our video. So first of all, we will start with our sanitizer as pandemic is going on, and each and everyone they are disaffecting with us, but we are taking all the precaution against this COVID-19. So let's start. And Mr. Naresh Sati, he is handling all the parents as well as our visitors. And some students they are taking online classes here. I want to introduce them. So students, are you there in the class? Hello? Aditi Unyal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, introduce yourself.
One by one.
Yes, good morning everyone. One by one you can just introduce yourself as your online classes is going on. Rahul Rawat, the school captain. Okay. Aditi Unyal, beta speak loudly. Okay, Rahul Sati.
Good morning, everyone. I am the division captain of Galaxy International School.
Minakshi Chilwal.
Morning, sir and ma'am. I am Minakshi Chilwal, Deputy Captain of Galaxy International School.
Okay. So how you are feeling while taking online classes? Is it okay? All the students, are you satisfied? So this is online classes which is going on.
Okay, students, so we discuss about nomenclature and IBC naming of radiate ketone and carboxylic acid. Right? Any doubt and problems, students, this topic?
Now we are moving towards our principal's room. This is principal office. This is our principal office.
Hello, myself Nisha Gaur, Principal of Galaxy International School. Thank you.
We are moving towards our vice principal office, and our vice principal, she is sitting here. Let me introduce our vice principal now.
Good morning. Myself Indira Karki. I am a Vice Principal of school and I am PGT Political Science and History. Thank you.
Garden area, huge garden in front of our principal's office. This is our staff office. This one is a little agriculture field where the students they do work in eco club. Now we are going towards our chairman office. This is our chairman, sir, and I want to introduce.
जी नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर महेंद्र सिंह गौर इस ऑनलाइन एफिलिएशन सिस्टम में सीबीएसई एफिलिएशन और समस्त सीबीएसई के अधिकारियों को प्रणाम करता हूं और बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि ऐसे पेंडेमिक में भी जो हमारा काम है निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहा है और सीबीएसई के जो निप न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आई है उसके लिए मैं अपने शिक्षा मंत्री और अपने पूरे शिक्षा मंत्रालय को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और बधाई देता हूं कि इससे हमारे देश नहीं विश्व का सर्वांगीण विकास हमें मिलेगा और एक बार हमारा भारत विश्व गुरु की ओर बढ़ने के लिए शिक्षा नीति में बहुत बड़ा योगदान देगा। मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं और अपनी इस एफिलिएशन की जो प्रक्रिया है इसे आगे बढ़ाते हुए अपने स्कूल के बारे में जो आगे की गतिविधियां हैं उसको हम शुरू करते हैं। जैसे कि आप ये सामने टीवी देख पा रहे हैं, हमारा सारा सिस्टम जो है सीसीटीवी कैमरों से लैस है और ये सारा सिस्टम ऑनलाइन हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर, प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल और एडमिन के मोबाइलों में रजिस्टर्ड है। हम अपने जितने भी क्लासरूम्स है, आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज़ है, ग्राउंड है, हम उसे बहुत अच्छे से अपने मोबाइल में एनी टाइम देख सकते हैं। आप देख पा रहे होंगे यहाँ पे कि हम अपने सारे स्कूल को अपने हाथ में हमेशा रखते हैं। इसी प्रकार के से स्कूल के द्वारा अनेकों अचीवमेंट हमने प्राप्त किए हैं। अगर आप देखें तो ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में हमने भागीदारी करी। सीबीएसई सहोदय स्कूल कॉम्प्लेक्स में हम प्रोग्रेसिव मेंबर रहे हैं और मार्शल आर्ट में हम फर्स्ट रनर अप, हाउस चैंपियन ट्रॉफी जो हमारे स्कूल होते हैं उसमें हमारा बराबर पार्टिसिपेशन रहता है। और आप देखेंगे अभी वर्तमान में जिन्हें पद्मश्री से पद्म विभूषण में पदोन्नति मिली, ऐसे हमारे डॉक्टर अनिल जोशी जी जिनके साथ हमने अनेकों कार्यक्रम किए हैं। और इसी प्रक्रम में HNN एक्सीलेंसी अवार्ड स्कूल को मिला। मैं इसमें बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं अपने प्रिंसिपल, अपनी कोऑर्डिनेटर्स और अपनी स्कूल टीम्स को, जिनके मेहनत से हमारे स्कूल ने उत्तराखंड के अंदर HNN एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड पाया है। ऐसे अनेकों कार्यक्रम स्कूलों के द्वारा किए जाते हैं और हम राज्य सरकार की शिक्षा नीति और शिक्षा के कार्यक्रम को बढ़ाने में अपना निरंतर प्रयास दे रहे हैं। और आगे की जो क्लासरूम्स हैं और CBSE की जो अदर कंडीशन है, मैं निवेदन करता हूं अपने कोऑर्डिनेटर से कि वो अपने कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएं। बहुत धन्यवाद।
Now we are moving towards our administrative office. And here is our administrator, Mr. Santosh Singh. This is our coordinator office. Let me introduce with our coordinator ma'am. She is academic coordinator, Mrs. Sunita Gaur. Hello ma'am.
हेलो मैम, मैं सुनीता, एकेडमिक कोऑर्डिनेटर। मैं अपने स्कूल के सारे टीचर्स का, कोऑर्डिनेटर्स का, अपनी 4th क्लास का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। हर पल हर समय उनका सहयोग हमारे साथ है। हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे साथ बहुत कोऑपरेट करते हैं, बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं और हमारा उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा तालमेल है। और मैं अपने टीचर्स और स्टाफ से सभी से यही उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आगे के लिए भी वो बिल्कुल तैयार हैं। अब आगे ये जो हालात हो रही हैं उसमें भी हम लोग हर परिस्थितियों में अपने बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए सारे टीचर्स, पूरे स्कूल का मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि वो हर पल हर क्षण हमारे साथ हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Now we are moving towards our playgroup. She is our playgroup teacher, Mrs. Preeti. Mrs. Sarita Bish. Towards our PG class. And our PG class teacher is Tanya. She's here.
बाला. Now we are moving towards our next class. This is our primary section from class PG to 5th. And this one is class 1st A.
Good morning. My name is Mrs. Sanjana Negi. I'm class teacher of class 3.
Now this is our class 2nd B. She is the class teacher of 2nd B.
I'm class teacher of secondary and I teach maths, Hindi and GK students. And this is my class.
We are moving towards our 2nd A.
Hello everyone, I am the class teacher of 2nd A. This is my class.
Now we are going towards our senior section and this is 11th Commerce. Online classes is going on.
नहीं एक में इसी में ठीक है हो गया आकांक्षा ठीक है ओके और इस टॉपिक से कोई डाउट है बेटा नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट ओके ठीक है बेटा फिर हम इस पे स्टार्ट करेंगे दोबारा से देन हम वी विल स्टार्ट रिवीजन फ्रॉम मंडे ओके
This is our class 12th Commerce is this. Now we are going towards class 9th A. This is our 9th B. Who is the class teacher of 9th B?
Myself Anju and I'm a class teacher of 9B and I also teach social science in the 9E and 9B.
Our junior wing from
going on. So I was taking his class.
If you are taking some numbers like A, B, C, D, E, and F, so you can arrange these numbers in different ways. So those are matrices. You can arrange these numbers like A is equal to A, B, C, or D, E, F. Instead in this is called row. This is row 1 and this is row 2, and these are called columns. This is column number 1, this is column number 2, this is column number 3. So row into column will be the order of this matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? It will be 2 into 3. This is the order. So if you are multiplying order, so number of elements will come. If you are multiplying 2 into 3, so 6 is coming, and there are 3 rows now. There are 3 rows and 2 columns. There are 2 columns, C1 and C2. So now order is different.
This is our CO1. This is class 10A.
क्योंकि क्वालिटीज या फिर एट्रीब्यूट्स जिनको हम नंबर्स में या फिर न्यूमरल फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं, उनको सिर्फ हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं। हमारा फॉर्मूला लगता है, हम आर के से डिनोट इसको करते हैं 1 माइनस 6 सिग्मा डी स्क्वायर बाय में।
This is our 12th Humanities. Now we are moving towards our chemistry lab, and our chemistry teacher is here. Please sir, introduce yourself.
Myself, Mr. Mundra, chemistry teacher of Election International School. Today we explain the practical of class 12 science students online media. Chemical, it's a reagent bottle of practical for students. This is different kinds of chemicals for exploration and observation practicals of students. Like this is a measuring cylinder for measurement of chemicals, etc. And this is the stand of volumetric for titration, volumetric stand for titration. And this is conical flask and funnel, and this is test tube stand also. So many types of instruments and apparatus of chemical. Here is a tool of chemicals. There is many types of chemicals for practicals of students. Like this is sulfuric acid, a dangerous acid, and this is acetaldehyde. So many types of chemicals. Also the bottle for practicals.
I have my biology teacher, she's here.
Good morning everyone, myself Ashmi Devi and I teach biology here in arts model in this lab, and we fulfill all of the needs of the students. This bio lab, I have 9 class, 10 class to teach, and also have senior classes. So it's different type of models and charts like skull, neuron, and these are different type of models which are made by the students inside the institute. And it's also a chart of excretory system. These are the various type of specimen and spots in which we preserve various type of alveoles and glands for spotting purpose. And this is the chart of the muscular system and the respiratory system. And I have written some of the COVID-19 measures which we have taken because आजकल ये है कि कोविड-19 की जो बीमारी है वो बहुत फैली है, इसके लिए हमें मेजर्स लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. That's why I have read various types of measures and instructions which we have taken in this.
My name is Shekhar Khandedar from Galaxian International School.
Our maths teacher, Mr. Dobia, is here. We have Ms. Renu here.
It's first aid box, swallowing, bandage, thermometer, at a side edge, and it's first aid box. Here is cotton here, scissor, Dettol, and water bottle.
Our activity room from class PG to second students, they do activities here.
myself Neil Kumar, and I teach music in the Express schools, just like Honorable Tamna. And I teach singing also, dancing also.
This one is our staff room.
Good morning. My name is Shalini. I am the PTI of Galaxian International School. So this is our playground. Have a look. So we have kept here all the sports goods. You can see markers, snookers, and we play all kinds of game here outdoor like cricket, volleyball. So have a look.
Myself, Mrs. Pallavi Singh, and this is our computer lab of Galaxian International School.
With us, our librarian. She will introduce herself.
Myself Anjana Bhatt from Galaxian International School. I am librarian in the school.
Like the staff on here. These books are math class 1, KG to 8. And next, collection of new books, PG to 8, and some books 9 to 12. Here is the collection of Hindi books, PG to 8. And next is collection of English books, PG to 8. Here is the story books, English and Hindi and magazines also, and 11 class books and lab manuals. Next racks, computer book class 1st to 8 and science books also 1st to 8. Drawing files, these are the old book sets, collection of GK books class 1st to 8.